Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a recurring bill on Splitwise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise, and you can come here and click on Add Expense, or you can click on Non-Group Expenses if it's just your expense. I'll click Non-Group, and now we can click on Add Expenses, okay? And if you are sharing this with a friend, you can add them, or if it's a group, you can do that as well. But since it's only me, I'll come and leave this. We'll go back. And now let's enter a description. So for this one, it will be Wi-Fi, and it'll give you a Wi-Fi icon. So let's say this one is $10 a month, right? It's paid by me. Now to make this recurring, all you need to do is click on this calendar icon. And now where it says repeat, I want you to toggle this, and I want you to choose, for example, whether it's weekly, fortnightly, monthly, yearly. I'll choose monthly. And if you want them to send you a reminder, you can toggle that on, and we can do it one day early, on the day off, whatever you want. They'll send you an email. Okay, I'll do one day early, and there we go. We can select a date. I'll do the 30th of every month. So $10. And all you need to do is come here at the top right, click on this check mark, and now we have added a recurring expense. So that is how you add recurring bills on Splitwise.